most of our speakers are from the Phoenix metro area, or definitely everyone from the Southwest. They're people that you're going to be able to meet in the Phoenix metro area that you're going to likely run across in other meetups, at different speaking events.
Welcome. This is the Hot Real Estate Investing Podcast, a podcast dedicated to helping others through real estate investing. Our hosts interview guests from all aspects of real estate investing who generously share valuable experiences and advice. Whether you're starting out or an experienced investor, this is the show for you.
Hello and how's it going? My name is Travis Shelton and welcome to the Hot Real Estate Investing Podcast, where I interview guests who want to help others investing in real estate. We keep these podcasts fun and full of value, and today you guys are in for a very special treat as I have my most common guests on, but for a very, very special reason. Both Jake and Jason were on and we previewed and gave a little bit of a sneak peek at a potential conference, and today is all about telling you guys about that conference, the Breakthrough Real Estate Investing Conference, also referred to as BREIC. And so maybe we'll start off with Jake today. And Jake, what is the Breakthrough Real Estate Investors Conference all about?
All right, yeah. So BREIC is basically a one-day event that we designed to unite our community of investors. And we wanted to bring together a bunch of seasoned investors from multiple different niches of real estate and provide invaluable education to our guests. So there's going to be plenty of opportunities for networking, creating new relationships, and just getting around like-minded individuals and kind of make those connections that help you break through to your next level of success in investing.
Oh, that's awesome. So Jason, when is BREIC? When is BREIC?
BREIC is actually happening this October 21st. It's a Saturday. It's going to be from 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. And it's going to be held at the Desert Willow Conference Center in Phoenix. And for those of you that don't know where that's at, it's right off the I-10 and 40th Street, kind of just south of the airport there. So yeah, nice and local, nice and central for everybody. It's going to be, like Jake said, it's going to be an all-day fun, dynamic event. We can't wait to have everybody out.
And who's it for, Jason? Like, who's the target audience for this?
So like Jake said, we wanted to bring people from a high level in to help people get to the next level. So it's really anybody that wants to take the next step in their real estate investing journey. So whether you've done no deals and you're trying to get your first deal, you're going to get just as much value out of this as somebody who's done 10, 15, 20 deals that is trying to get up to 100 deals. So it's really for anybody that's trying to take their next step in their investing journey.
No, that's awesome. I mean, obviously, as someone that helped create this, yeah, I'm super excited to be able to attend and MC it a little bit with you gentlemen. But I guess just to be real, for all the audience out there, Jake, Jason, and myself came together earlier this year, and we've all been hosting meetups for quite some time, and we wanted to do more. We were really looking for how do we do more and give more this year to our attendees of our meetup. But then just also, we always feel like at the end of our events, it's just we want to be able to provide a little bit more. You can never give everyone everything in a 2-3 hour, one evening event. And so we thought, can we create an amazing experience for our investors out there? And we wanted to start small this year with just a one-day event. We hope to blow this up over the coming years, but this year, bring as much value as we can. We have amazing speakers we're going to tease right now. So we have people with over $1 billion of assets under management that are going to be speaking on our stage. We have an NFL veteran who's also authored a book on real estate investing, who's going to keynote and speak at this event. We have a speaker that has a subgroup for ASREA, or the Arizona Real Estate Investors Association, that's going to speak at this event. We really have gone above and beyond to identify as many amazing speakers as possible. And to be quite honest, we shot for the stars, and we thought we might get one or two of these guests to come speak to our audience. And we've been blown away by the reception we've gotten from a lot of our speakers and sponsors, just at what we're trying to do and the support we've received. All right. So what else do we want to share?
I was just gonna say that it's pretty exciting. Again, like you said, putting this together. I think it being our first time, I don't want to say that we kind of undersold ourselves or didn't really believe in what we could put together, but we were kind of being very cautious about it. And I think we've exceeded our expectations so far, and I think we really put together
100%.
a really good conference here, and that's exciting because it also just shows what kind of market we have here and what kind of collaboration, what kind of investing community we have here in Arizona. And so it's really cool to be able to bring that all together. And I think that's part of it, is not only showing people how to get to the next level, but also showcasing the community that we have here, because it's something special.
Such a great point. I just want to reiterate that enough. Like, most of our speakers are from the Phoenix metro area, or definitely everyone from the Southwest. They're people that you're going to be able to meet in the Phoenix metro area, that you're going to likely run across in other meetups, at different speaking events, or be able to go after the event, network with them, and actually get to know these individuals and see them again. And that's, we focused on that for this, especially this inaugural event, is showcasing Phoenix, showcasing investors around that you'll be able to collaborate with moving forward, and not just on this one day, but hopefully that you'll be able to build relationships at this event. We're designing it for extra networking opportunities to speak with our speakers, speak with our sponsors. So you should be able to walk away from this event with a multitude of resources and contacts and referrals to be able to take that next step for your real estate investing. And we're hoping to just over deliver as much as we can with the speakers, with the value, with everything that you're going to receive at this conference. And so I'll tease right now some special pricing. So if you are interested in attending BREIC, and you're listening to this podcast right now, you're going to want to write down these two codes. Number one is podcast 10. Podcast 10 is going to get you special discount pricing for a regular ticket. And if you're interested in a VIP ticket, podcast VIP is the second code. That if you're interested in a VIP ticket and put podcast VIP in the code discount, you'll get special pricing off our VIP tickets. Jason, Jake, what else am I missing? What else haven't we shared with our audience of investors that we want to share about the Breakthrough Real Estate Investors Conference?
I just want to say two things. One, on the pricing there, I just want to reiterate the BREIC or the podcast VIP code. That's going to be limited to the first 5 people that use it. So make sure, if you're interested, you jump on using that code, because that's going to be only limited to the first 5 tickets using that discount code. So definitely get on it if that's something you're interested in. And I just want to reiterate last couple of things you guys have been saying, and with the people that we're bringing in this, I mean, this whole podcast is called the Helping Others Through Real Estate Investing podcast, HOT REI. That's the mission. That's what Freedom is built on. It's built on helping people achieve their goals, take the next steps, get started, whatever it is. And we have surrounded ourselves with bigger people than ourselves doing these things at a much higher level. And we're bringing them to this event in order to help everybody level up their investing game. We're going to have topics from financial basics to multifamily to short-term rental. We've got people that are doing all of these things. So no matter what niche you're looking at, no matter what niche you're thinking about or doing or succeeding in already, you're going to find value in somebody that's there. And we've always said we never want to be the biggest or smartest person in the room. And this is us putting that to practice. We're bringing the big game. I mean, like you guys said earlier, these are people that we, not to undermine ourselves, but we shot for the stars. And I know you guys said it, but I'll reiterate, I've been blown away by the reception that we've gotten because of the mission of Breakthrough Real Estate Investing Conference. So for more information on the Breakthrough Real Estate Investing Conference, you can go to breakthrough.com. That's BREIC through.com. Again, that's Breakthrough Real Estate Investing Conference. That's going to take you. You can get all the information on the speakers, the topics of the day. You can buy your tickets. you can just go straight to that breakthrough.com and you'll get all the information you need.
Yeah, thanks for sharing. Jake, any final words?
Yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch on, Travis, you already kind of explained a little bit about, some of our vendors, but I just wanted to highlight that we really put a lot of thought and time into who we wanted as our vendors and our sponsors, because we really wanted, same thing, just like our speakers, we really wanted people that could bring value. We didn't want to just go chase people that would throw money at our event and help us put the event on. We really wanted people that we liked and trusted and that we have worked with in the past and bring them in. That way, we're really providing kind of a turnkey solution for people looking to get to that next level. So if you're looking for, maybe a title company or a lender, somebody that we've personally used and that we can vouch for. And I think that's just another level of value that you're getting rather than just a big company that's coming in and dropping it, money down just to be there. So just, again, really looking forward to it. And there's so much excitement around this right now.
So if you are a real estate investor or want to be a real estate investor looking to take the next step, your first step, or just break through to that next level of success in your real estate investing, please join us at the Breakthrough Real Estate Investors Conference, October 21st from 8 to 5:30. We will share all the contact information in the show notes. And lastly, thank you for tuning in today, and commit to taking action today by buying your Breakthrough Real Estate Investors Conference ticket to moving your investing forward. Take care and God bless.
Thank you for listening to the Hot Real Estate Investing Podcast. Check out our website, hotrei.com, for additional content and resources. And please take a moment to subscribe and leave a review so we can continue to bring even more value to others through real estate investing.